Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. The Honda Rebel 500, a beloved middleweight cruiser, is making its triumphant return to both European and U.S. markets for 2024. With its reputation for blending style, performance, and accessibility, the Rebel 500 is set to appeal to a wide range of riders once again. Here's a closer look at what the 2024 model has to offer. Honda Rebel 500, a favorite among middleweight cruisers. Honda has officially announced that the Rebel 500 will be available in the U.S. market for 2024. This entry-level cruiser will come in standard and ABS versions, along with a limited edition ABS SE trim. Pricing starts at $6,499 for the non-ABS model, with bikes expected to hit dealerships in January. Continuity and popularity in Europe. Honda's strategy of reintroducing popular models continues with the CMX 500 Rebel, a bestseller in Europe's custom category. This model has dominated the European market for several years, making its reappearance a logical move for Honda. A glimpse into the 2024 model year. For 2024, the Rebel 500 maintains its core mechanical features, with the only updates being two new paint options, matte laurel green metallic and seal silver metallic. These new colors join the perennial favorite, matte gunpowder black metallic. Key features and specifications. Despite the lack of major mechanical changes, the Rebel 500 remains a compelling choice for riders. Key features include low seat height. At 27.2 inches, the Rebel 500 offers a low seat height, making it accessible for riders of various sizes. Engine performance. The 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers smooth, linear power, complemented by a standard slipper assist clutch for enhanced manageability. Relaxed riding position. The bike's riding position promotes comfort, with gently outstretched arms and mid-mounted foot pegs. Bobber style. The Rebel's tubular steel frame supports its stripped back, contemporary bobber aesthetic. Suspension. A conventional 41mm non-adjustable fork and dual shocks handle the suspension duties, providing a balanced ride. 2024 Rebel 500S, a cosmetic upgrade. The S version of the Rebel 500 offers factory-fitted accessories like a headlight cowl, all-black fork covers and gaiters, and a diamond stitch style seat. For 2024, this variant is finished in pearl shining black paint. Essentially, the S model mirrors the base version in performance but adds a touch of aesthetic flair. Anticipating the U.S. release. While color choices for the U.S. market may differ from those in Europe, the Rebel 500 remains a solid option for a variety of riders. The U.S. version has historically offered ABS as an option, unlike the standard feature in Europe. Nevertheless, its combination of accessibility, style, and performance makes it a versatile choice for commuters, newcomers to motorcycling, and seasoned riders seeking a straightforward, low-riding machine. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.